what's good YouTube is a boy person ask to do the only black man who read in English. And the damn back down the banger. Amana. So nango decide the blog in ya started to run on one suppose vanosora chitama said aho vanosora ita sese but nakoti kenditange saita se set to run on one is. But yeah, if it's the first time, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. I'm saying, boss, the good is coming. The raw cooperate. So guys, Tsanokadzi aita life aita life achichema achiti akararwa na Tytie. We all know Tsanokadzi is gay, so arikuti akararwa na Tytie. And then Tytie anakumbadala mari yake akampromisa mari then wachivoita vese kuti konde pane kondidekerwa na Tytie chinzanzi upenyu hweNgochani chichiaita for Tsanokadzi. Tsanokadzi ari kudanza after content akabaita se akavararwa na Tytie achibva achikiswa nhengo yaTytie amene kuti munoendedza muchiti chizva mbina ndizive kuti munoiti chikudya nhengo yemunhu. So ari kuti Tytie anonyepa kuti he's straight but Tytie akatiudza Tsanokadzi kuti he's bisexual. So guys, I want you to show you life yaitwa naTsanokadzi azopedza emotional azopedza life angoikata ipapo because anga kutochema because kunzira Tsanokadzi Tytie threatened me achiti unofanirwa kubuda muCape Town iwo because ndira kukuraya. Hanzi ari kundifonera, hanzi ari kutumiwa vakawanda achimudza kuti shaika ako muCape Town musautaura zvisina basa. Saka akutaura kuti hanzi ada kurayira Tsanokadzi kuti achataura chokwadi kuti akarara naye then akasamubhadhara. So I want to show you the live video. I want to show you Tsanokadzi. And you guys should tell me in the comment section, what do you guys think good Nenyai guys? What do you guys think Nenyai guys? Chokwadi Runkoman is gay, or I don't know. Who knows? Who am I to judge? You guys should tell me down in the comment section. So I said, if it's the first time, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. You know what I'm saying? So let me show you the live.
The fact that you fucked me, you introduced me all the styles. I was not even familiar with all those sex styles you introduced to me. You was licking my essence whatsoever. That's what I'm just saying out because you are a crook, and that girl you are dating, you are a crook. You are only using that girl because that girl has got a talent on her, and that girl, unfortunately, I feel sorry for you, Kiki. You are very dumb, wakapusa, and ugushandiswa. Tytie knows that iwewe une a special talent ripamsoro pako. That's why he's using you. Tytie is into sugar mamas. Anochengetwa nevakadzi like what he mentioned to me before. Aichengetwa mukailicha aibhadharwa rent mukailicha umantika. Iwewe Kiki, andingeni ndau panyaya dzenyu is fine. Past is past, ne? Makadana na makaita zvamakaita, you loved each other whatsoever. We move on as humanity, ne? But I'm just saying, kuti, you must be careful of munhu wako. Munhu wako is a problem. Is a problem, like a big problem. Right now, I'm receiving threats. I was about to go on live like recently here. If I can tell you right now, I'm not even in Paarl where I stay. I'm somewhere else because people, they took me to secure me because I was receiving a lot of calls that when I Tytie, just because I spoke my mind, you used me and you have the money there. I know you have the money and I was speaking my truth and nothing but the truth. You know what happened, Tytie, and I need money also because we did this together. I need my money now. So wena uri crook anditika, we are very happy for you. You are growing so big into a big brand, ne? But make use of that big brand in a positive way. Don't use people. When you work with people, please agree with people, ne? I'm speaking before because like I feel like I have to air it out, you see. So Tytie, I know everything about you. And today, to my surprise, after I posted that video we did together on TikTok, I posted it on my Facebook page. Tytie, I received an email which says, Tytie reported me. I don't know, I'm just gonna share the screenshot here. Tytie what@gmail.com that reported me whatsoever. And I was like, okay, so Tytie on my own side, I'm a rising upcoming socialite, and I'm very glad that my page is being monetized, but it's been also violated because of Tytie. You see, Tytie is very rude, and he's not being fair on us. You see, we are all socialite, we all love one another, ne? So when we collaborate, ne, we have to come to a certain point. We meet at the point that we guys, when we do this, we have to pause like this and that, ne? But why, Tytie? My question is, why violate my rights? I'm a humanitarian my page. I'm a nail technician. I'm hustling. Yes, I don't beg you on social media. I'm hustling as a hustler, ne? And kuwana kwanakachita mari on Facebook, it was a side hustle also. So why did you report me? And then of which iwe ukuziva zvakaitika, ne? I'm speaking out because iwewe you lied a lot, ne? You are very selfish, and you are very selfish. You think only yourself, ne? Social media is very big for everybody, ne? Everybody can come here on social media and make money, ne? But when now you are very selfish, because why did you violate my rights to earn money on social media? I'm doing a different content from you. Yes, the fact that to a certain extent, ne? So I was giving my 2 cents, ne? I mentioned, okay, Tytie, what was the reason for Tytie to fly from Cape Town to Joburg? Guys, what was the reason for him to fly to Joburg? No, not the Nyatis. I wanted to understand. So I was like, okay, obviously, Tytie feels like the Nyatis is a threat to Tytie and Titka, of which we all know that you and me, we know, even in comment section, you know that Tytie feels that the Nyatis wanted the whole engagement, wanted like attention Yahweh, yes, it's on them, ne? So Tytie like felt like he's threatened. No, in the sense that, okay, we understand that and a big following, that's of which we understand. Tytie and me, we on the same level. Like, just I appreciate him, like he has got a beautiful talent that I appreciate him. But what I'm going against is, kana uchinge wa collaborate nevanhu, please appreciate those people, love them the way they are. If you want to support them the way they are, ne? And you took advantage of us, of which that's another story for another time, ne? Okay, it's fine. The Nyatis, they just like vari kungomuka from the dead, and vanhu vari kungotanga kusumuka from social media, ne? And of which we are very happy for them. Vari kusumuka zvakanaka and stuff, you get, ne? So Tytie thought like he's threatened. The reason why he flew to Cape Town, that was not a genuine move. Tytie knew that the Nyatis, in guys, like we are all into content creation, ne? Iwewe nentikagadzira content niwe na Tsanokadzi tikaita video redu 3-2 tesena. We have to schedule this video. Kana tabvumirana kuti iwewe neni, we have to post this video certain time, ne? But Tytie was very clever enough. He posted that video before the Nyatis and Jitika. So which means that video rakapinda muningirikini rakapinda mu social media, which is as an original content of which like affected the Nyatis. So me, I was giving just my 2 cents. So Tytie feels like he's threatened na the Nyatis because the Nyatis want attention, yes. So imimi the Nyatis, just be careful next time. Don't just associate anybody. I know I want to support you, I want to what you get, because we all have stars. Cinema stars are different. I know Shina Shakasiya. So Tytie obviously saw that the Nyatis have got a shining star, a beautiful one, and Akanwa violated everything. Because if you guys come to think of it, before this whole scandal, before Nyatis Zaitika, the Nyatis, we knew them as a happy family. They never came here on social media. Guys, we have been violated Nema rights, social media and stuff. But why is it that Tytie akaenda kuna the Nyatis, and then after that the problems comes, you see? So I just gave my 2 cents, and then Tytie blocked me. So I was like, okay, this motherfucker is blocking me just because I'm telling the truth. Okay, it's fine, okay. Of which me, I respected him so much, ne? Munhu like he came to me like like he wanted to put me out there on the map, because he had, I think, 12,000 something followers that time, 2023. Me, I had, I think, 9,000 or something followers, far much way below than him. I was like, okay, it's fine, maybe it's gonna help me like boost my engagement. Me, I came to social media just to do for business, and despite all the dramas and about social media, I was it's fine, God will reward you what you are doing. Bless you, my brother. But I need Justice, you can't chase me, you can't send me threats because I'm just speaking the truth. You see?
I beg guys, thank you for watching my video till this end. If you have reached to this end, if you have reached to this far to this end, thank you, man, and everyone, man. Please keep on supporting me, keep on liking, comment, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Tell a friend. I'm saying, there's an name someone who also subscribe, who also support YouTube young. We want to reach 2,000 subscribers by the end of July. I know guys will do it. So if you have watched to this end, thank you, man. Thank you for watching my video till the end. Subscribe for more content. More content is coming. Tango.